Unveiling the gem. Understanding, you're a rare find. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a special phrase that's both a compliment and a recognition of uniqueness. You're a rare find. Stick around as we unravel the meaning, usage, and the subtle nuances behind this expression. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. You're a rare find is an idiomatic expression used to convey that someone is exceptionally unique or valuable in a way that is not often encountered. Let's dissect this phrase. Rare. This word signifies something that is not common, something that is found infrequently. Find. In this context, a find refers to the discovery of something valuable or significant. Put together, if someone says you're a rare find, they mean that discovering someone like you, with your qualities, talents, or characteristics, is a rare and valuable occurrence. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts, but it's essential to understand the appropriate timing and setting. Personal relationships. It's a beautiful compliment to give to friends, family, or a romantic partner, signifying that their presence in your life is uniquely special. Professional settings. It might be used to commend someone's rare skills or contributions, often highlighting that their abilities are not easy to find in others. When using this phrase, ensure that the context is positive and that your tone conveys sincerity, as it's a powerful expression of appreciation and esteem. Telling someone they're a rare find can have a profound impact. It's a way of acknowledging their distinctiveness and value, which can boost their self-esteem and reinforce their positive attributes. However, it's crucial that this phrase is used genuinely and thoughtfully to avoid coming across as insincere or flattering without cause. Saying, "You're a rare find," is more than just a compliment. It's a recognition of someone's unique value and the rarity of their qualities. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to express appreciation and connection. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in our next video.